G'day, it's the Lawn Expert here. Today I want to talk about something a little bit more light-hearted. Business names. You know, what sort of business names do you come across in your travels? I came across a contractor's vehicle and saw his business name. It was so funny I had to film it. Just a bit of a light-hearted look on business names. I always thought my business name was pretty good, but I've just got to show you someone else who's got a lawn mowing and gardening business here in Sydney, and they're called Mown and Grown. So there you go, Mown and Grown. How's that for a good business name? Cheers, bye bye.